welcome to Docplexus News. Let's discuss this week's healthcare headlines that matter. NCI has decided to issue a unique permanent registration number to all doctors in the country. This step was taken to bring all doctors under a single digital system to ensure discipline and to prevent quackery. This system will also help doctors who face difficulties during migration as they are registered with council of a different state. The IMA has urged the central government to introduce stringent laws for preventing violence against doctors. In this regard, doctors observed one-day hunger strike on 2nd October for their unfulfilled demands. IMA has taken this step to prevent rising cases of violence against doctors. Maharashtra government has recently issued a notification that homeopaths can prescribe modern medicine. The notification states that doctors who have obtained their homeopathy degree between 1951 and 1982 can register with the Maharashtra Medical Council. The IMA has challenged this decision, stating that it contradicts the centre's policy which forbids homeopaths to prescribe allopathy medicines. Understanding the importance of patient safety, the Health Ministry is all set to launch a National Patient Safety Implementation Framework. This framework has major objectives such as reporting adverse events, ensuring a capable workforce, controlling healthcare-associated infections, patient global safety movements, and promoting patient safety research. Providing relief to diabetes patients, FDA has approved first continuous glucose monitoring device for adults that does not need fingerstick tests. Approved for patients older than 18 years, the device has a small sensor attached to the upper arm which continuously monitors blood glucose levels. Patients can see their glucose levels just by waving a mobile reader above the wire. The FDA has approved first test to detect Zika virus RNA in donated blood. This approval is very important as screening donated blood for Zika virus is critical to prevent transmission. However, this test is only intended for blood collection establishments and cannot be used by clinicians for diagnosis. As only 46% of the under 5 children are Aadhaar enrolled, the Maharashtra government will implement a special campaign to pace up the required coverage. In this regard, the government has also issued guidelines to all district and state hospitals. ICMR Chief Dr. Soumya Swaminathan has been appointed as Deputy Director-General of WHO. She was earlier the Director of the National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis, Chennai. To help female lawyers and litigants, the bench-directed Supreme Court is set to install 3 sanitary pad vending machines. This directive was issued when a female advocate pointed out the difficulties faced by women for disposing sanitary napkins. Thus, the court released a budget of Rs 10 lakh for 3 machines and incinerators to safely dispose of soiled napkins. US biologists Jeffrey C. Hall, Michael Rojbash and Michael Young were awarded the prestigious Nobel Prize in Medicine. They received this prize for their contribution in encoding the internal biological clock that governs the wake-sleep cycles of most living beings. In the wake of the alarming rise of medical negligence cases in India, following 3 important medico-legal tips may help doctors to avoid such cases. They are accurate record keeping, avoiding miscommunication, and following current standards of practice. These were the latest happenings in the medical field brought to you by Docplexus, India's largest and fastest growing online community of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Thursday at 6 p.m. Happy Docplexus!